Boeing says in talks with Indian firms for unmanned aircraft system. Boeing has said it is in talks with Indian companies to collaborate under the Make in India initiative to manufacture unmanned aircraft system (UAS) that could be used for surveillance by the Indian Navy. Brad Jeisman, Senior Business Development Manager of Insitu Pacific, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Boeing, said since the Indian Navy is looking to acquire a UAS, it is actively working on it. We had discussions with a number of Indian companies on what could be possible to support our Make in Indian products. We are working with different companies. We are meeting with some of the larger ones that we typically expect, but we are also interested in small to medium scale industries, Jeisman said. Insitu Pacific builds UAS. Apart from remotely piloted aircraft systems, RPAS, unattended ground sensors, UGS, and unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, and supplies it to Australia and other countries in Asia Pacific. Under the UAS, it manufactures Scan Eagle that gives images and live video feed on land or at sea, and can be used for surveillance methods. Interceptor is another such UAS with cameras and communication capabilities. Boeing recently announced its joint venture with the Tatars, namely Tata Advanced System Limited, TASL, Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited, TBAL. He said the company is also in talks with small and medium enterprises in India. Talks are also in progress on how much percent of the product could be manufactured in India under the Make in India initiative, he added. What we have found in our discussions, observations, and meetings that India has incredibly gifted small and medium-sized companies with amazing technology on your doorstep, Jeisman said. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.